Welcome, fellow stock photographers. It is once again time for me to share with all of you how much money I made in my stock photography sales for December 2020. Let's do this. If you're new to this channel, I'm Jason Yoder. My channel is about my travel and my photography, and I share with you one of the ways that I pay for my travel, which is through my stock photography sales. Now, before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check that notification bell so you know when I upload new episodes. Like, for example, this photo shoot you're going to be seeing in March. Sorry for the interruption of my normal episodes. If you've been following along these last few weeks, you know that I've been on a journey up the middle of the American West. And Thursday we're going to return to those normal episodes where we're going to be doing some editing of the images from Death Valley. But on to the good stuff. Let's talk about the money. Now remember, stock photography is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is just simply some small change I save on the side. But one of the things I try to do to show you guys are the images that I've sold for the first time ever. Here they are for the month of December 2020.
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and always sun, and then we cross America.
A few of these images I want to talk about, like for example this first one was taken during my episode in Bisbee, Arizona. Now this episode where I did a nighttime photo walk through this old mining town has actually been a very popular episode this past month, and even better was how fast the first image from this episode sold. This is another recently uploaded image that has actually sold several times. This is from my episode on capturing the lights of Tucson. So in this episode, my dad and I, we take the Jeep route up the back end of Mount Lemmon, and we managed to get to this overlook just in the nick of time to catch the fading light of day over the lights of the city of Tucson. What about some of the best-selling images from this past month? Well, here I'm actually going to show you one from Big Stock Photo. Now, normally Big Stock, the normal commission I get is about 25 cents per image. But this time I got a full $1 for this image from one of my favorite sunset locations in Phoenix. With all the political issues here in the United States, my images of the U.S. Capitol have been doing very well for quite some time now. This is an image from a morning photo shoot of the U.S. Capitol, and it sold for $6.36 on Adobe stock. This next image is so old, I don't even have it on my backup drives I have with me right now. Originally, it was an image of algae in water. Then I intensified the blue and gave it a spin to create this tie-dye effect and uploaded it to Dreamstime, where it got me a commission of $8.28. So how did the final month of this awful 2020 score for me when it comes to my stock photography sales? Well, let's take a look at the past. In 2017, I sold 53 assets and got $38.22 in commissions. In 2019, I sold 97 assets for $90.05. In 2019, I sold 165 assets and got $107.73. And this year, in December 2020, I sold 118 assets, got $103.32. So just a tiny drop, but I'm still okay with those numbers. My best agency this month was Adobe Stock, where I made 55 sales and earned $41.16 in commissions. So this was my second best December ever. Now, considering it was 2020, I'm okay with that. We made less than $5 less than what we made the previous year, so I'm good with that. Now, on January 31st, next week, I'm going to do my 2020 year in review. I'm going to take a look at what happened in 2020. We're going to take a look at what I'm focusing on in 2021 and answer the important question. Did I make more selling stock photography in 2020 than I did in 2019? So make sure you hit that subscribe button and check that notification bell. Also, if you guys could, consider opening your hearts and your homes to a shelter animal in need, or donate to your local animal shelter. I'm going to wrap things up here, grab my camera, get outside on this rare sunny day, and do some photography. I will see you all in the next episode.